Welcome, virgins. I have chosen you because you're best of the best. My evil lord will appreciate the sacrifice you're going to make.
You guys also think he sounds drunk.
Maybe it's his thing.
His thing is to sound drunk. Maybe he's got some kind of speaking problem. That's not very polite. He's right in front of you. You guys think he's a virgin too. Aha, does he look like he's ever touched a woman? I bet they'd just run away from him. It's not like asking if they're virgin is a good catchphrase.
My lord, I do not like these people. They're not good enough for you.
Shut up.
Shit.